Just finished our meeting with the professor, and everything is sorted for us to do our show on 25th December 2023.
Sammy Flex. Na ese professor kesema professor mawanu ye the stadium na zamo na chi do ban den na sorry ya adankwe dada do biribi mo bilai biribi men ona wa twa wa heyo Sammy hwe. We don't know what is going on, but say one of we jumana wa pera wa shesha magana for the were shesha hype was both events na low key wa manyanta asena wa manyankon kwase ntokwa bia wo ho.
I don't care who they see the stone, I go slap you.
Ebusiafumo wa kwaba ba channel we from a park to the rich aka the fancy YouTube and the first time I reach a video wa haya ba catch on about wa kwaba na ba mozana subscribe our debiaram is a video to ma consciously no etuma babo shena nkobo bia ye beti bia wo so etuma kire wadwen nende there is a big fire on the mountain. Fire on the mountain in there on cherry you who the Shatta Wale a posted that me fly the Freedom Wave Festival or your Shatta Wale in America. Bosha last year, Shatta America were your collaboration, were your concert to be wa Accra Sports Stadium, or Philip Palm and a chere or you be a one. Inti Obia you that season 2 no badu this year. Until this year as a one more 1 year close, just around a September ya and a Shatta or I let garden in either. Obia watch out because 25th December or be a concert. Pa. Na Nimuna and chat in a young with a Stonebwoy honestly able posting as a there on the 22nd of December honestly league and concert or your beam concert pa into a whole and chat any young with a one of the management member of Shatta movement my brother Sammy Flex. Why drop a video at Accra Sports Stadium? Video not dropping.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, this is Team Shatta Wale at the Accra Sports Stadium, obviously, to look at how the edifice is still looking for 25th December. That is the Freedom Wave Festival. Remember, this time around, it is going to be a festival. And I can tell you that we've been here looking at the edifice, still looking good. Everything is okay here, and the stands are waiting for you. Thanks to the management of the Accra Sports Stadium. They want all entertainment people to also consider this place as one area that you can use to do your event. We are ready. We just finished our meeting with the professor, and everything is sorted for us to do our show on 25th December 2023. It is a festival. This time around, the show is starting about like 12 p.m. Show has started, so you have to put on your best clothes, or last clothes for 25th December for the Freedom Wave Festival. It is going to be bigger than necessary, and we want everybody to be here. But I'm still looking at the crowd and say, hey, I do money. We have to get people to fill all these spaces. To tell someone that we need you. Come, Shatta Movement is also waiting for you.
Come, Shatta Movement is also waiting for you. It's a kind of work out at the cheddar in the beam. Sammy Flex. Na ese professor kesema professor mawanu ye the stadium na zamo na chi do ban den na sorry ya adankwe dada do biribi mo bilai biribi men ona wa twa wa heyo Sammy hwe. We don't know what is going on, but say one of we jumana wa pera wa shesha magana for the were shesha hype was both events na low key wa manyanta asena wa manyankon kwase ntokwa bia wo ho. I'm being very real because on chair crowding and with a Stonebwoy and a manager or your chief honestly we both posted there Shatta Wale or trophy kushinya na nkomo bi a chere onyi mpanyufu bi onyimu onyu edidi Lord come no na ade na chere nko ide wo find way bi mpo na Stonebwoy na concert and wo pe baby wo torching but Stonebwoy po according to nkomo recording na chere Stonebwoy na concert and ko ide oye na 23rd but osha Shatta ben here more space into ordinary na about 22nd according to Stonebwoy na manager and come on here reasoning. Inti waba ma oya streets no do another social media no do na ye. Into kwa bebre sisi ebim for na sorry. Obi an come reason there. Dem unity a we na chere oya frakadam what fufa ye nwa do keke. na say yesane akọ back in the days na etwutwutwe na nyamanyama bibibam na and I try to orange asam papa inti yesra one empanyinfo a wo krom ha wakasa would say obi ba catch on the Stonebwoy and Shatta Wale start one as no sanya sesem bi o said that what from one tina fom na what catch one they should be told at this early stage because Ashe Shatta bomb no to ni bi na no ya show ended that okọ live and some okeke ni bi ni.
See, wasn't it wise to also call Shatta? What's Stonebwoy we only artist for Ghana? All people say Apache so they say pity. What's Apache with Jimmy say? See I'm Stonebwoy, if you go do that thing, I go step your laptop. Forget everything. I go step your laptop. I go step top. Forget everything. I go step if you hear me play. I go step your laptop. What's here? You want to talk? There's somebody want to talk like you. I'm not see you about. The nonsense thing they do. Somebody if you keep quiet, and they watch you, and they feel like, hey, man, if you see me, you know say you live one on one. If you see me, you know, I go slap you. I don't care who they see the Stonebwoy. I go slap you. How you see, man?
And our brother watch him kaka. And I try that brother asamna only ya bloody asamna ya yesho so dey impanyinfo a wo city mu ha wabam na one person an is na ba conversation mu awama nkofo wenwu aye kọ wo ho dey na na akufo ado na ba besia na sisia ni di na be gina the center of conversation there. I don't know what strengths in my Stonebwoy, but we don't know what is truth. But according to Kwafono Sumo, what try there, Sabe Nyakan could in a stadium war. Ye was stadium or Kumase, ye was stadium or Tamale, ye was stadium or Cape Coast. Takradi second is on one rain, and one chance down or doing another part. But still the same, we think there, this is an opportunity for other cities in Ghana to also experience major concerts like that. Inti nkwafu bebre what suggestions are worrying, you know, obaya Shatta Wale move in a concert and Kumasi because Kumasi so equally one hot city actually. Black Stars ball cry Ghana will prefer Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Into the Stonebwoy can come Accra like he's saying in Zao Uncle Kumasi. Ibn Musu won't come on there. Obaya Planka or yeah. Accra to Cape Coast, they were 2 hours pay. So, by Shatta, on Bomazana on Remo Cape Coast Stadium. Cape Coast Stadium, no so nya Kesibia, ne fail and obey Shatta movements. And I chadanka history in each other, we're making a tight one, big one, but still. Eshe when SM fono wabonje bim fono so wan wase inti ya be den gare botwane madame gan etututwe na dame nyamana asene repeat biwa that won't be acceptable. Inti this is the conversation going on in the Ghana music entertainment space. Accra Sports Stadium in a CC awaba the center of conversation. Warako obi ba catch on the ehwe na chiwa na wo Independence Square. But this is the issue. Obiari event no your ticket event worry wazajiska so nobody is ready to go do some free show somewhere. Inti Independence Square or out of the conversation. But this brings us to the conversation there. The Ministry of Tourism and Creative Arts na yaman was one zafa yan sende ye auditorium otum fanyi pa be 40,000 for events and conchen here. So baba kasa on a CCR ye 2 big brands warakon. Another conversation so we put me oh yeah the rapaholic for what's the Bayonabu on tomorrow in the sense that they will feel there. Shatta Wale is very much aware there. On 25th of December baby aran sa kwadi ye rapaholic. Inti other the show rekasha am time on onyim there anya bia no about distracting the audience and the media attentions na there. But when it me disagree kakra because the sky is too big. Obi an audience appeal. Obi or her street for no bani show. Obi also a ordinary or ye executive class and as an bani show. Until let's leave that alone. Now you find a way I solve this issue amicably. So your hype is I say woman steady. no one may you under one two more but that die yeah or you're too early for this. But from a parkour to the rich, I hire fancy YouTube. Let me know what you think about this issue or record. What is your own solution? From again, what platform in the comment section. Let's share video you more be soon to me.